Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Like the title suggests, today's video is a Nykaa haul, and haul videos in general are my most favorite videos to do. Nykaa is having this summer super saver sale till 6th of May, so I've picked a couple of products. Before start this video, I quickly want to tell you all that by no means I'm promoting buying non-essential products during this time. I know everyone is going through a really tough time and spending unnecessarily is not the need of the hour. If you want to buy any essential that is hair care or skin care, then you can definitely check out the website. But for this video, I would like you to just watch it and enjoy it. Don't take any recommendation, don't buy any product, just watch and enjoy this video. Now I've bought 2-3 skincare products and few makeup products. Now since I'm a beauty influencer, I need makeup products to create content for my Instagram as well as on my YouTube. So I really wanted to buy a couple of products from a very affordable brand, and that brand was also on discount like others, so I picked few products from them. But like I said, again, just watch this video, don't take any recommendation and don't do any shopping of non-essential products from Nykaa. And having said that, now let's just begin with the video. So I placed my order on the 1st, which was a Saturday, and I've received this parcel today, which is 3rd, and today is a Monday. So I haven't opened it yet, though I know what the products are in here, but I'll quickly open it with you all. I think one product is missing in here and that will be delivered tomorrow, but I'll tell you what that product is. Let us quickly see what I have in here. I'm really excited to open this parcel. And now let me quickly take out the product without any order. So the first one that I have in here is from Plum. I've got the E-Luminous Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. I've heard really good reviews about this. This product was on great offer. So I've heard that this is really good and very affordable. This is priced at 545 rupees and I've got it just for 400 rupees, and it is a really good size. So I really want to try this one because I have the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, and that is really very expensive. So I've heard that this is an affordable dupe option for that. This is a really good size product. It is 90 grams and it is packed, but like you can see, this is how it looks. It smells so amazing. I can't wait to try it. And if it is an exact dupe to Clinique's Take the Day Off Balm, I will be doing a reel or maybe a post for this. So stay tuned and do follow me on my Instagram. I will be providing link in the description. So moving further, the next product is also from Plum, and I've got their body mist. This is in the variant Hawaiian Rumba. So Plum has been launching really good products recently, and I've seen that they have an entire range of body mist, lip balms and body lotion, body oils and whatnot. So I wanted to try their body mist. This is how it looks. It's a plastic bottle and it smells really nice. Wow, this fragrance is very tropical, so I was very confused between this and the vanilla one, but I'm glad that I picked this one up. This mist retails for 525 rupees and I've got it just for 340 rupees. I think it's a really good price for 150 ml of bottle. I really love it, and I would highly recommend you all to pick it up if you are looking for any mist. And since I bought this one, I clearly remember there was something free. So this is what I got free with my purchase. There was an offer: if you buy products for 700 or 900 rupees, you'll get something for free. So I've got this product free, which is, let me open and show you all. Even I don't know what's in here. Wow, this is a full size product, and I've got their green tea revitalizing face mist, and I personally love their green tea range a lot. I've used their toner, mask and face wash multiple times. I've bought it so many times and I'm glad that I got this one. I haven't tried the mist yet, so it is great that I got free, and now I can try it. And also it is so hot and humid here in Bombay, so it will come really handy throughout the day. When I need a quick refreshing spritz, I'll just spray it. And then I've got this product free, which is their green tea clear face mask. So this is how it looks. Really good, perfect for traveling. Cute tiny size. I have a full size with me, so maybe I'll give it away or maybe I'll use it whenever I travel next. I don't know when. Then I've got few products from Swiss Beauty. Now I've tried their concealer. I absolutely love it, and I've also tried their lipstick and one of their primers. I really love all the three products. I've heard so much about them that I wanted to try a couple of their products so that I can create a one brand tutorial, or maybe I can try these products and then let you all know whether they are really worth it or not. So let me quickly open it and show you all. So I've taken out all the products, and this is the first one. This is the Swiss Beauty Lip Primer Mask. Now I have heard good things about it, and that's why I picked it up. I have a lot of lip balms already, and I have 3-4 lip balms like brand new, but I really wanted to try this one. There's a reason behind it. I've heard that this is a very close dupe to the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. The packaging also looks very similar, so I wanted to try it, and again, if it works, I will be sharing it with you all. This one retails for 249 rupees, and I've got it just for 187. I think it is a really good price point, because normally lip balms are for 150 or 200, around that only, from Maybelline and Lakme. So you can check this one out. Next product I've got is an eyebrow pencil, and this is very affordable. This retails for just for 65 rupees, and I've got it for 49, and I've got this in a light color, so the shade is light brown. It also comes with a brush like so. I've used the Miss Claire one, which also looks the same, and I'm looking forward to try this one. Now, seeing all the products, I can clearly see that one big product is missing from the Swiss Beauty parcel, which is an eyeshadow. I really wanted to buy an eyeshadow from them and to try it. I've heard that they are very affordable and also really good. So that's why I thought I should buy an eyeshadow palette and a couple of other products so that I can do an entire look. But to my surprise, there's no eyeshadow palette in the package. And I've also checked my orders. I completely forgot to place the order for an eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow palette that I wanted to buy comes in 8 different shade options. I was so confused between 3 shades that I think towards the end I completely forgot to add it to my cart, and here I am with all other products without the eyeshadow palette, and I think I need to place an order, because what's the point of buying all of this when I cannot do my eyes? So the look that I wanted to create needs an eyeshadow palette, so I think I need to place an order again. And moving further, now what we have in here is metallic eyeliner. I haven't tried metallic eyeliners. Also, I don't apply liquid liners. I'm not good at it, so I prefer sketch liners or gel pots. But I've got this one because I am planning to experiment with different eye looks. So for that I needed something like this. So this is how it looks. It looks gorgeous. I think it comes in 5 to 6 different shades, and silver one got my attention the most. Liner is for 249 rupees, and I've got it just for 187 rupees. Moving on to the next product, it is also a liner. Again, the price is same, 249 original MRP, and I've got it for 187 rupees. It is very difficult to open and talk and to show you all also at the same time. So this one, I've got the Jet Black Bold Felt Tip Eyeliner. This is how the outer packaging looks like. Like I told you already that I like to use felt tip liners. So this is how it looks. Really nice packaging. The price is so amazing. I hope it works that way also. It is really nice. You can get thin stroke, you can get thick strokes. It is jet black also, and for 187 rupees, I think it's a great product. Next up, I've got one of their best sellers. So I've got the Real Makeup Base. This is a highlighting primer. So I've got this in the shade NO03, which is pink tint. I believe it comes in 3 different variant. One is golden, this one is pink, and one is natural. So I like to use pink base highlighting cream. Like I have a MAC strobe cream in pink light. Also I have a Sugar's strobing cream, which is also in the pink variant. And I've also done a reel on Instagram showing how similar both of the products are, and the Sugar one is a great dupe to a MAC one. You can save some money, and I've heard that this is also a dupe to those products, so I'm really looking forward to try this one. Can we take a moment to appreciate the packaging? It is so classy. It is a glass bottle, looks and feels very luxurious to me. This is priced at 349 rupees and I got it just for 262 rupees, you guys. It is so affordable. It comes with a pump like so. Okay, it is a fresh product, so it will take a time to come out, and this is how it looks. Wow, it looks amazing to me. It doesn't have the chunky glitter particles which normally we think that we will get if we are buying a very affordable illuminating cream, but it is looking so nice and blending so beautifully. It has a fragrance to it which is not that overpowering, and it has blended completely, no chunky particles at all. I will try it and then we'll let you know whether it is a dupe or not, and if it is, I think you should definitely pick this product. Next up, I've got a makeup fixer spray. This one is the aloe vera with vitamin E. This is how the bottle looks like. Now I already have a lot of fixing sprays, but I got this one for two reasons. Firstly, I wanted to try Swiss Beauty products, so I was planning to do a one brand tutorial, which I think I've completely failed because of the missing eyeshadow already, but also I wanted to buy this one. It's very affordable and my other setting sprays are a little pricey. Now whenever I use fixing spray for my eyeshadow application, I think this will come really handy because it is affordable and I can save my MAC fixing spray because that is really expensive. So that's why also I picked it up. This is also for 249 rupees, very affordable, but again I got it just for 187 rupees, which I think is a steal deal. For this specific product, I have heard mixed reviews, so I'll try it myself and will let you know how I feel about this product. Quickly, I'll just spray it. The spray works fine, but it has a very strong fragrance to it, like a very strong one. If you're someone who gets bothered with a strong fragrance, I think you can skip it. That's what I can tell you by just spraying it once. You have to wait for a while to know what are my thoughts on this product. Moving on to the last product, it is a lipstick and I got it for free with my Swiss Beauty purchase, and this is in the shade Cherry Red. Okay, and this is the Matte Revolution lipstick. I think whenever they have to send a free lipstick, they send you a very bright and a loud shade, mostly red or a very bright pink color. I don't like to wear red at all, but just to give you a hand swatch, this is how it looks. It is not like a red, it's more of a dark maroon and red mix. But yeah, that's pretty much it about this lipstick. So this was my haul from Nykaa. There are two products clearly missing. One I've already told you, that's an eyeshadow palette. I will place an order right now after filming this video because I want to have that palette. After discount, I think it's just for 170 rupees. Really good price point again. And the second product which is missing is from ELF. I've got their lip gloss, and if I get it by tomorrow before this video goes live, I will add a clip. Otherwise, I will show it to you on Instagram. And so that's pretty much it about today's haul. I hope you all enjoyed watching it, and if you did, give it a like. Do subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description, and I shall see you all with my next video. Also, before leaving, do let me know what type of videos you want to see on my channel. And until we meet next, take care guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.